Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, it's been a while since my last video, but I'm back in it now. Today I'm going to be doing a polymer clay tutorial on how to make a little potted plant. So, let's get into that. For the color of the pot, I'm going to use a light terracotta brown. To start the shape, we'll roll it into a ball and then smooth it out to make sure all the cracks are gone. After that, start rolling it on one edge to create the tapered shape. Then you can take the pot and start shaping it with your hands just to make sure everything is how you want it. After you're happy with the shape, cut the top of the pot off to make a nice flat edge. Then you take the same color and roll it out into a snake. This is going to be the rim on the top of the pot. After you've rolled it out nice and thin, press it down flat and then cut it to a workable length. You can then start positioning it around the top of the pot. After you're done wrapping it around the pot, you can cut off the excess and smooth the join. After that, we're going to need two more colors of brown, one darker than the pot and the other one almost black. We'll take the medium color of brown and start flattening it out into the disc to put in the top for the dirt. You can smooth it around to make sure it meets all the edges, and then I'm going to take my needle tool, and if you don't have one of these, you can use a toothpick, they work just as well, and then you can start swirling around the clay just to create a little bit of that dirt texture. Then I'm going to take my ball tool, and if you don't have one of these, you can actually use the end of a bobby pin and it works pretty well. But I'm just going to take this and press two little dents where I want the eyes to go. Then we're going to take the darkest color of brown and we're going to break off two small sections. Roll each one of them into a little ball and then place it in the dents we made. After that, we're going to roll a skinny little piece of clay, and it's going to be in the same color we used for the eyes. I'm going to take my needle and cut a tiny little piece off, and then we'll roll it just a little bit to create the smile. Then we'll take the smile and press it on the face. I didn't get it on camera because I was really concentrating, but after you get it on, you can adjust it a little bit with the needle if you need to. For the little plant piece, we're going to be taking a nice bright green, and I'm actually going to use a toothpick and wrap the green around it to create the stem, just so it doesn't ever snap. After you've got the stem how you like it, you can poke it into the center of the pot. Then take the same green from the stem and break off two small sections of that. We'll shape these into the leaves. You'll pinch it and then flatten it down to a little water droplet shape, and then take a needle tool and press into the center of it to finish its shape. Go ahead and repeat this process with both leaves, and then you can press them onto the top of the stem and blend them down with the ball tool if needed. After that, your little potted plant is done, and you can go ahead and bake it in the oven according to the instructions that will be on the clay's package. And in case you were curious, my plant's name is Phil. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Stay tuned for the next video where I draw Rapunzel and Flynn Rider from the movie Tangled, one of my favorite Disney movies. As always, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.